Right, so just a really quick rodent trap trigger I wanted to show you. Now, I'll just tell you a little bit about something first. So I got this idea off of a bloke I've been speaking to via email called Jim Gracie of Gracie Bonsai. Now, he'd sent me a message saying that he's into mouse traps and that, and he said, do I want to have a look at his website and see some of the mouse traps that he makes? And I had a look on there, and some of the stuff he's done is absolutely brilliant. And one simple trap trigger caught my eye, and it was involving kind of like string or things like that, but with a little bit of cereal or a peanut in between it. So I think if you had something like a small piece of cereal, breakfast cereal, that had a hole in it, or shaped like a circle, that would be brilliant. But I had this kind of biscuit stuff here. I've just made 2 holes in it and tied a piece of string each side. And the way they work, obviously, is mainly with rodents, so anything that will chew the bait. So a mouse, for example. Now, this cage wouldn't hold a mouse, but I've got to show it with something. But say a mouse with a better cage will just sit there and chew that bait until it's chewed it all away, and then the 2 pieces of string will separate and the cage will come down. This piece of wood will flip, the cage will come down and catch it. So that could potentially work with mice, rats, squirrels, and anything that will kind of just sit there and chew the bait away. Now, Jim Gracie kindly said that I could copy any of his traps, so there's quite a few I'm going to do. I'll show you them. I'll put a link to Jim's website as well in the description, and have a look at it. He's got some really good ideas, and also he's got loads of cool ideas to do with his bonsai trees as well. Really interesting, all of it is. So have a look at that. I'll just get some so I can trigger this trap off. Yeah, so your mouse would come along, chew this bait, and then down comes the trap. So check out Jim's website. It's absolutely brilliant, and like I said, I'm going to do some more of his traps as well. Alright, cheers for watching, and I'll see you later. And cheers, Jim, for sending me a message.